like an earthquake. Feel the ground shake. Silver tongue to make your knees weak. It's too easy. A little bit crazy, a little bit messed up. Maybe I had too much, maybe I'm just grown impatient. I'm done waiting. Now I gotta confess, just to kill, I got this. I might strike first and my bite hurts, but it's worth it. Some people run and they hide. Some people stay and they fight. I put more gas on the fire and let it burn, let it burn, let it burn down until it's hot to the touch, until it all turns to dust. Take everything that you love and let it burn, let it burn, let it burn down. See, I'm no good at keeping secrets. I tell all my demons. They're the ones who really know me. At least I'm never lonely. A little bit crazy, tripped up feeling hazy, but let's capsize till we're baptized. You might like it. Maybe I'm possessed, haunted, and I confess that I strike first and my bite hurts, but it's worth it. Some people run and they hide. Some people stay and they fight. I put more gas on the fire and let it burn, let it burn, let it burn down until it's hot to the touch, until it all turns to dust. Take everything that you love and let it burn, let it burn, let it burn down. Some people run and they hide. Some people stay and they fight.